everyone, I'm Sarah from XINNUO Roll Forming Machine. This is our factory. This is our roll forming machine research and development center. This is the first workshop of our factory. In this workshop, we usually process the underframe of our roll forming machine. Here is our 13-meter gantry milling machine. This is the second workshop of our factory. This workshop is used for new machine research and assembly. What is currently being carried out is the cutting of raw material. This is our sanding workshop. Our light frame are sandblasted first and then painted. The paint will be very durable. This is our assembly workshop. All the machines will be completed here in the end and then transported to each customer destination by sea or land.